Welcome to video lecture series on structural analysis 1, also known as theory of structure. Now this is continuation of numericals on analysis of continuous beam using slope deflection method. Now up till now हमने देखा है कि दोनों जो एंड सपोर्ट्स है यानी ए सपोर्ट और सी सपोर्ट या फिर डी सपोर्ट जो भी एंड सपोर्ट है वो अभी तक हमने देखे थे कि फिक्स्ड है, बट ये केस में ए सपोर्ट फिक्स्ड है लेकिन सी सपोर्ट जो है वो सिंपली सपोर्टेड है और बी सपोर्ट जो है वो कंटिन्यूस है, राइट। सो ए फिक्स्ड है यानी यहाँ पे थीटा कितना रहेगा, थीटा ए 0, थीटा सी की वैल्यू रहेगी कुछ तो भी, थीटा बी की वैल्यू कुछ तो भी रहेगी और थीटा सी की भी वैल्यू कुछ तो भी रहेगी, राइट। सो ये न्यूमेरिकल हमें सॉल्व करना है। तो क्या दिया है, सबसे पहले ए बी स्पैन दिया है जिसपे एक 100 किलोन्यूटन का पॉइंट लोड है सेंटर पे और बी सी स्पैन पे देयर इज 24 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर यूडीएल. For AB span, moment of inertia is I, and for BC span it is 3I. This space we will reserve for the bending moment and shear force diagram. Now let me divide this remaining part into two. We will start with the first one. First step is fixed end moments. So fixed end moments. Now before going for fixed end moments, we will draw the mu diagram. So let me draw a mu diagram here. For mu diagram, formula for this will be WL by 4. So 100 into 5 divided by 4, right? WL by 4. Similarly for this, the formula will be WL square by 8. So 24 into 6 square by 8, right? So let me write down values. It is 125 and 108. So let us say this is 125. And somewhere here it is 108. Okay, so this is plus, this is plus, this is mu diagram, right? Now we will find out the fixed end moments. क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें ए बी स्पैन को फिक्स्ड स्पैन कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा, फिक्स्ड बीम, और कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा एफ एम ए बी एंड एफ एम बी ए. क्या है फॉर्मूला, माइनस इसका क्या रहेगा प्लस डब्ल्यू एल बाय 8. सो व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ डब्ल्यू, इट इज 100 इंटू 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 8. सिमिलरली 100 हियर इट इज माइनस, हियर इट इज प्लस 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 8. सो वी विल गेट दिस वैल्यूज हियर. सिमिलरली दिस इज फॉर स्पैन ए बी, नेक्स्ट इज फॉर स्पैन बी सी. सो एफ एम बी सी एंड एफ एम सी बी. So again plus minus, here formula is WL square by 12. So value of W is 24, L is 6 square by 12. So sorry, this should be minus plus, right? So we will get answers, and those answers are minus 62.5 plus 62.5 minus 62.5 plus 62.5. This is minus, this is plus. Okay, similarly here minus 72 and plus 72, minus 72 and plus 72. Units is kilonewton meter. So let me write down properly here, is equals to minus 62.5, right? So we got fixed end moments. Now what is next step? Next step is to apply slope deflection to formulation of slope deflection equation. So let me write down here formulation of slope deflection equation, right? So what we know that theta A is 0, right? So for span AB first, so AB को अप्लाई करेंगे हम. So क्या आ जाएगा, एम ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू एफ एम ए बी प्लस 2EI बाय एल इन ब्रैकेट 2 थीटा ए प्लस थीटा बी, बट थीटा ए इज 0. सो व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ आई, आई इज वैल्यू ऑफ आई फॉर स्पैन ए बी इज आई एंड एल इट इज 5. सो 2 by 5, राइट? सो व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ एफ एम ए बी, एफ एम ए बी इज minus 62.5. So minus 62.5 plus what is value of 2 by 5? it is 0.4. So 0.4 into this, so you will get 0.4 ER theta B, right? So this is MAB. This is say equation 1. Similarly, MBA. So for MBA, FMBA plus 2EI by L in bracket theta A plus twice theta B. Okay. So now FMBA, what is value of FMBA? It is 62.5. 62.5 plus value of I, it is again 0.4 EI. So theta A is 0 here. So twice theta B means 0.8 EI theta B. So this is MBA. So this is equation 2. Two more equations we have to form because there are two spans, so there will be 4 equations, right? So write down span BC now. So for span BC, we will calculate MBC. MBC is equals to FMBC plus 2EI by L in bracket 2 theta B plus theta C. Now both are available, theta B and theta C will not be 0, right? So FMBC is minus 72 plus what is value of I here? I value is 3 and this value is 6, right? So we will get 2 3s are 6 divided by 6, that is 1 EI. Okay, so here we will get 2 EI theta B plus EI theta C, right? This is MBC. Similarly, MCB is equals to FMCB plus 2 EI by L in bracket theta B plus twice theta C. So we will get here plus 72 plus again this value will be 1, 3 2s are 6 divided by 6. So we will get EI theta B plus twice EI theta C. Again this equation is MCB. Let us say this equation as third and this equation as fourth. Next step is step number 3, to apply equilibrium conditions, right? So how many joints are there? First joint is joint B. So let me write down here joint B. So at joint B, MBA plus MBC is equals to 0. So value of BA is now, equation BA, we have BA with us 62.5 plus 0.8 EI theta B, 62.5 plus 0.8 EI theta B, and BC equation is minus 72 plus 2 EI theta B plus EI theta C is equals to 0. So from this we will get equation as 2.8 EI theta B plus EI theta C is equals to 9.5. Say this as equation A. Let me check. Yes, it is correct. Next joint is joint C. Now at joint C there is only one thing, right? And therefore it will be MCB is equals to 0. MCB is equals to 0. वैसे भी जहाँ पे simply support है वहाँ पे moment कितनी रहती है 0, and therefore MCB is equals to 0. What is MCB equation? It is 72 plus EI theta B plus 2EI theta C is equals to 0. So we will get EI theta B plus 2EI theta C is equals to minus 72. Right? Say this is equation as B. After solving equation A and B, we will get value of EI theta B and theta C. So EI theta B and EI theta C. Value of this is 19.78 and minus 45.89. Okay, so we got these two values. Now it is very simple. Simply put this value in equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will get value of MAB, MBA, MBC and MCB. Okay, so let me write down these answers. It is minus 54.58. Then next is minus 78.32 plus 78.32, and last one is should be equals to 0, right? Because we have already taken here MCB is equals to 0. So this is 0. So let me check by putting value in a random. Let me check value of MBC. So for MBC, where is the equation of MBC? This is 72 minus 72 plus 2 into 19.78 plus minus 45.89. Yes, it is 78.3332. Similarly, MBA, let me check MBA also. So it is 62.5 plus 0.8 into 19.78. Yes, it is correct. Okay. So ये moment आ गई. What is the next step? Next step is to draw fixed bending moment diagram, right? The mu dash diagram. So 54, 78 and 0. So now see, this is anti-clockwise, right? Minus MBA something is not correct here. Yes, this is minus, this is plus, and this one is minus. Yes, correct. So now since it is minus, it will go like this, it will go like this, it will go like this, and this will go like this. You should try it. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि सपोर्ट के नीचे रखना है, and then check if it is going clockwise, go clockwise, if it is going anti-clockwise, go anti-clockwise. और जहाँ पे रुकना है, कहाँ पे रुकना है, जहाँ पे बीम लगेगा वहाँ पे एरो निकालना है. एरो अगर ऊपर होगा तो ऊपर प्लॉट करना है, नीचे होगा तो नीचे प्लॉट करना है. अभी हमारे केस में सब ऊपर प्लॉट हो जाएंगे. सो माइनस 54 ऊपर प्लॉट हो जाएगा. सो 108 यहाँ पे है, सो 54 यहाँ पे रहेगा, 54.58, देन 78 somewhere here, 78.32 and then 0, right? So this is mu dash diagram, minus, plus, minus, plus. This is final bending moment diagram in kilonewton meter. Okay. Now final bending moment diagram तो मिल गया हमें. What is next step? Next step is to calculate reaction and then to draw shear force and bending moment diagram. So reactions calculate करने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम? अलग अलग बीम बना लेंगे. Let us say this है RA, RB1, RB2 and RC. सेंटर पे लोड है कितने का है? 100 किलो न्यूटन का. मोमेंट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है, कितनी है? 54.58. क्लॉकवाइज है कितनी है? 78.32. एंटी क्लॉकवाइज है 78.32 और यहाँ पे 0. यहाँ पे क्या है, यूडीएल है 24 किलो न्यूटन पर मीटर का, ये 5 मीटर का स्पैन है, दिस इज 2.5, दिस इज 2.5 और ये 6 मीटर का स्पैन है। तो सबसे पहले समीशन ऑफ एफ वाई इज इक्वल्स टू 0, आर ए प्लस आर बी वन इज इक्वल्स टू 100। सिमिलरली आर बी टू प्लस आर सी इज इक्वल्स टू 24 into 6, right? Then summation of moment at A is equals to 0, so RA into 0, then plus 100 into 2.5, then minus RB1 into 5, then minus 54.58 plus 78.32, because this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, is equals to 0. So from this we will get RB1 and then RA. Similarly, summation of moment at B is equals to 0. So RB2 into 0 plus 24 into 6 into 3 minus RC into 6 minus 78.32, and there is no moment here, so is equals to 0. So from this we will get RC and RB. So RB1 is 54.75, RA value is 45.25, value of RC 58.95, value of RB2 85.05, value of RB is equals to RB1 plus RB2, so 139.8. So let me write down here 45.25, 139.8 and 58.95. Okay, so we will draw shear force diagram now. What we will do, we will take calculator. So this is going upwards, so plus 45.25. Then it will go straight up to this point. Here minus 100. So 54.75 minus. Then plus 139.8. 85.05. Then minus 24 into 6. $58.95. And plus 58.95. So this is plus, minus, plus, minus. This is shear force diagram in kilonewton. So this is how we can solve the numerical, right? In case of any query, please comment in the comment box. Thank you.